Hello friends, today we are exploring how to set up Databricks cluster. Log into your Azure Databricks account and click on clusters on the left menu. Click create cluster for a new one. Provide the name to the cluster and scroll down to check the Databricks runtime version. It should be either 5.5 or 6.5 and above. Click on create cluster to complete the process. Let's wait as this may take few seconds to sync up depending on the internet speed at your end. Newly created cluster with the name data lake given in the previous screen will be created. If it shows green color, it means the cluster is created and running without issues. Once the cluster is created, the next step is to understand how to generate the token. Go to the menu on the right corner and click on user setting and then click on generate token. Provide a comment inside the comment box for your reference to distinguish tokens. You can change the expiration date of days of the token to enhance the security and click generate token. Don't forget to copy the newly generated token because you cannot retrieve it later. This comes to the end of the video. Hope this is useful. Keep learning and implementing. Thank you.